Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Pretty simple little design, a seamless pattern, 3D effect. But I was going to show you the difference that your line color can make it. So we're going to select all this. It's actually got a turquoise fountain fill and a turquoise line. But let's make it a black line and look how it made it different. I mean, it makes it look more cubish. You know, we could make it red, but I don't know that you'd want to do that, or dark blue. And I think really the turquoise makes it look the best. Really simple design using cubes. The best way I've found to make a cube is take a 6-sided polygon. And I'm going to hit P, which really doesn't matter. I'm going to take a 3-point line and it'll snap to the center. Now, normally when I make a cube, I do this line too, but I don't really need it. The way I'm going to make this, I'm going to take my Smart Fill tool and I'm going to fill it in, and then I'm going to nudge it over. And I'm going to add a interactive fill tool from here. So I'm just going to swipe across, put black, make this even, so it's even across there, maybe not quite so much black. And then you've got that, Control D, double click on the rotation and put on that node and rotate it 120 degrees and 120 degrees. So you've got that, and you can see we have a black outline. With your ratio lot, let's change the cross distance to 2 inches. Then set your nudge factor on 2 inches. And then just Control D or hit the plus key and then Control D and make as many or as few as you want. Control G to group, Control D to duplicate. Now, there is a mathematical way you could do this, but it snaps to pretty good. And instead of controlling D, I'm going to group those together and then make a copy, and I'm just going to go straight down. And if you hit it the first time, then you can make as many as you want. And then there again, we're going to change the line. Let me zoom in here. What's cool about this tool, it's picked the line. So I'm going to make the line black now, or make it that same turquoise it kind of goes away. Now, that wasn't all that much of a video, so let's try this. Let's try another one using the Smart Fill tool, filling that in. And let's put the interactive fill tool to the opposite side. Let's go this way. Make this even. Bring in a black. Maybe a little bit more evenly. And you could add a white in here. Then you'd add another turquoise on both sides to kind of have a white streak down the middle, and do it like that. I don't know what this is going to look like. I'm going to Control D to duplicate, double click on the rotation, rotate it 120 degrees. No, not going to really be good because I don't like the line. I like the black. Let's take the line away. I don't like that stripe. So all you have to do is just double click, it'll go away. Double click, and you can keep that one. Control D to make a duplicate. And instead of doing all 3 sides, you can just do one and then just rotate them. If you want them all kind of in the center, I think that's going to be pretty cool. Control G to group it, make it that 2-inch nudge, make it 2 inches across here, or any size. I'm just picking 2. Control D and make a duplicate. Yeah, maybe not as quite as cool as I thought it was going to be, but it is kind of different. Let's get rid of these lines. And then group this together, Control G, Control D to duplicate. And there is, like I said, there's a mathematical. And if you keep controlling D, which is fine, but you keep going downhill and you get an odd shape. But if you take this and group it, Control G, Control D, and then you're coming straight down with this one. And as long as see, I didn't get it the first time. So sometimes Control D won't work, and sometimes it will. Totally different look. But let's look at this with a different color and use that turquoise. Nope, turquoise. Completely different look. I like the outline. Kind of shows off the cubes. And it's, in my eyes, what I see is cubes coming out. But if you look at it again, it's cubes going in. Anyway, hope it gave you an idea or two, and thank you for watching.